All right, team, listen up. This crew is about family, but the game has changed now. Dominic Toretto just went rogue.
You gonna turn your back on family? I know it looks bad. Don't give up on him so easy.
We've only got one chance to make this family whole again.
Don't do this, Dom.
You ready?
One thing I can guarantee, no one's ready for this.
She's the very definition of high-tech terrorism.
There's thousands of cars in this city, and now they're all mine.
Now I know what it feels like to be every cop ever chasing us. Wait! Ah! Oh, damn!
London, Abu Dhabi, Cuba. Our paths have crossed before, Dom. You just didn't know it. I think I need to remind you why you chose to be here.
I got no choice!
If you're gonna catch Dom, you're gonna need a little help.
You want to tell me why you just put me in a room with this tea and crumpets eating criminal?
You don't think that tight t-shirt's cutting up the circulation in your brain? You should get a bigger size.
You guys are gonna work together.
Love to.
I've been waiting for this. We got a tank. Now it's my turn. Boom, baby!
They just don't give up, do they?
You thought this was gonna be a street fight?
Is that a torpedo?
Take the wheel.
What? This is crazy!
All right, you get style points for that one.
Woo!
I don't know why you're doing this, but I know one thing. You love me.
Hang on to your ass.